Before the start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What are the necessary documents? Passport, it is your main travel document. Visa, better to know what countries you can enter without a visa. You can get a visa on arrival or you should apply for a visa before. Should check about this when you start planning the trip. Or if you already have a visa, should check the valid time period of the visa. Some countries ask for travel insurance to enter the country. So should check about this also. If you are going to fly with a service dog or any other kind of pet, should ready its paperwork as well. If you don't have sufficient and valid documents for your pet, it can be a reason to prevent you from entry to the country. Valid air ticket, this is also one of the main things that you need. You can book your ticket by a ticketing agency or online. If you book your ticket from a ticketing agency, they will provide you a soft copy and a hard copy of the ticket. But if you book your ticket online, you'll receive only a soft copy as an email. In this email, you can read every detail related to the airline, for example, allowed main luggage weight, hand luggage weight, onboard pets allowed or not, will you receive a meal or not, and etc. When you get to your destination you must keep passport, insurance, immigration papers and emergency contact details with you all the time. You can have two luggage bags. Hand luggage and main luggage. Hand luggage will be with you all the time. You have to go through check-in, security and emigration processes with your hand luggage. Hence better to have a small, light traveling bag or a bag with wheels. Your laptop bag or handbag purse doesn't count as a piece of hand luggage. But if your handbag is big, you will have problems at the check-in desk. There are specific dimensions and weight for hand luggage and, the bag which you carry as hand luggage shouldn't exceed the dimensions. These dimensions are mentioned on the website of the airline and in your ticket as well. There are some rules about hand luggage. You cannot take more than 100 milliliters of liquids with you on board in your hand luggage. Sharp things, knives, scissors, blades, etc., wires and metal strings, cigarettes and other tobacco products, lighters and other flammable or any kind of explosives also cannot take with you. Main luggage, you will drop the main luggage in the check-in process. There's a specific weight for the main luggage as well. It is also mentioned in the air ticket. If you exceed the weight limit, you'll have to pay for every extra kilo. In this luggage also you cannot take any kind of explosives or weapons. And if you have any kind of electronic devices, laptop chargers or something like that, should inform about that when you drop your luggage in check-in. This is very important, get into the airport early. Because you cannot get into flights like get on a bus or a taxi. Because of that, you should come to the airport at least 3 hours before departure time. So if you live far away from the airport, better to try to come to the airport at least 4 hours before. Because there can happen traffics or transport breakdowns. Flights won't be waiting for you. Normally check-in process starts 3 hours before the departure time of the flight. If you are early to the check-in process also you just have to wait till the process begins. But be attentive about when and where the check-in process going to be. Nowadays many airlines have online check-in system. You can check in online at least 1 day before the flight. Even though you checked in online you have to wait till start check-in process in the airport to drop your main luggage and get the hard copy of the boarding pass. After the check-in process, you'll have to go through security and passport control. After you go through passport control normally you can get into the duty-free area in the departure area of the airport. If you have enough time you can walk around the duty-free area, but keep in mind time and gate number of your flight. Departure gate normally opens 1 hour before the departure time and boarding usually starts 30 minutes before. When you enter the flight, there are flight attendants to help you. Show them your boarding pass, they will show you your seat. Put your hand luggage into the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. There are some small seat pockets that you can keep your passport, boarding pass, mobile devices, books, and etc. There is onboard entertainment on many flights now. You can watch movies, documentaries, listen to music, or even play some games. If you are not interested in any of these, the best thing to do is sleep. Many airlines give you a small pillow and a blanket, which you can get comfortable. But if you are going to fly in economy class, I think you should take your own travel pillow. You will be grateful for that. Pay attention to the onboard safety demonstration and read the safety instructions. It's very important. If you have a long flight journey, it will be uncomfortable if you're wearing tight jeans, leather jeans and jackets and clothes like that. So wear something comfortable and easy. Do not wear high heels, especially pointed, and don't use strong perfumes because you are going to be in a limited space for a while and strong perfumes can make very bad smell inside the cabin. With the duration of the flight, they will serve you a light meal or a normal meal free of charge. But if you're flying with a budget airline, you have to pay extra for the meals and drinks. Some airline serves a limited amount of alcohol as well, but don't try alcohol when you are flying if it is your first time. Always be attentive and follow the instructions which the flight crew give. Fasten your seat belts and get ready to enjoy your flight. In the description below, I've attached links for best hand luggage, main luggage, travel pillow and other stuff which you'll need when you're going to fly. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and let me know, what do you think about my video?